racing. Racing just is started, flight on time, break quickly at the start. Talaga, moving up, play the music. And on the outside is Rouge Minuteman in the middle portion. Then moving up now on the outside is Home Run Babe. Down on the inside is Graciosa. Queen Maker comes next. Makata. While boarding past is the early trailer by about 15 lengths of the leader and going along for the first turn. Two runners fighting it out for the lead. Play the music. Takes command. Down on the inside is Flight on Time. Minuteman is on the outside. Third, Talaga comes next. And on the outside is Rouge. Then moving up now on the outside is Home Run Babe. Running by the release Graciosa. Queen Maker comes next. Makata while 3A boarding pass still racing in less. Inside the Tres Octavo, we have played the music by about 3/4 of a length lead. And in second is Flight on Time, Minuteman. Rouge is down on the inside, moving up to take third. Then comes Home Run Babe, Queen Maker, Talaga. Then next on line now is entry number 2. And this one is Graciosa as they swing for home. We have Rouge now takes command by about 2 lengths. And in second on the outside now is Flight on Time, and on the outside is Minuteman. Last 100 meters we have Rouge this time by about 4 lengths, followed by Minuteman in second, and nearing the finish line it's all Rouge. The second is Minuteman, then comes Flight on Time, Queen Maker. Play the music.
8, 9, 3, 4.